Today, I will be showing you how to check your financial aid status at Enterprise State Community College. First, you will navigate to the home page, which is escc.edu. Then, you will click the My ESCC tab in the top left corner. After that, scroll down and click the My ESCC Students button. Enter your username and password. Once you are logged in, select the Financial Aid tab. Then select Financial Aid Status. If you have no unsatisfied student requirements with your financial aid, your screen will look like this. You can click Awarded to see a more in-depth look at your financial aid. If you have any unsatisfied student requirements with your financial aid, your screen will look like this. In order to see what requirements are unsatisfied, click Student Requirements to see if you have any additional requirements impacting your aid. If you have any questions about your financial aid status, please do not hesitate to visit our offices in the Student Center. You have successfully checked your financial aid status at ESCC.